In 2025, affiliate marketing transforms lives, providing financial independence. Michelle, a 29-year-old, earned $75,000 in just 60 days through this method. Michelle was unfulfilled in her 9-to-5 job. Inspired by others' success, she invested her evenings in learning about affiliate marketing. Michelle focused on high-demand niches, health and wellness promoting supplements, and personal finance recommending budgeting tools. Michelle chose her affiliate programs by following these criteria: high commissions, reputable brands, recurring revenue, and supportive resources. Michelle used a multi-channel approach for traffic, social media marketing, blogging, email marketing, and paid advertising. Michelle leveraged essential tools for her success: WordPress for blogging, SEMrush for SEO, Canva for content creation, and ConvertKit for emails. To scale her efforts, Michelle hired freelancers, expanded niches, collaborated with influencers, and automated recurring tasks. Michelle faced challenges like low initial traffic and algorithm changes but overcame them with quality content and adaptability. Top tips from Michelle: start small, be consistent, invest in learning, track progress, and stay authentic with recommendations. Michelle's journey is proof that affiliate marketing offers amazing opportunities. Choose the right niches and tools to succeed.